Have you ever wondered, is every nebula unique, like a cosmic fingerprint scattered across the universe? Imagine, if you will, a celestial dance of gas and dust, swirling together in a cosmic ballet. This is the nebula, a veritable universe within a universe, a testament to the grandeur and mystery of space. These nebulae, or clouds of interstellar matter, are not just stunning to look at, but they are also the cradle of star formation, the birthplace of celestial bodies. They are a mix of both the incredibly common and the profoundly rare, a blend of hydrogen, helium, dust, and a sprinkle of heavier elements. Each nebula, with its unique composition and appearance, tells a different story, a story of cosmic evolution and transformation. They are the silent narrators of the universe's past, present, and future, each one a unique chapter in the grand cosmic book. In today's exploration, we dive into the life cycle of these mesmerizing celestial clouds. A nebula, like a star, begins its life in the cold, dark void of space. It's a birth that emerges from death, a phoenix rising from the ashes of celestial bodies. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own gravity and explodes in a supernova, scattering its remnants into space. These remnants, a mix of elements, dust and gas, drift in the dark, waiting for the laws of physics to spark a new beginning. The remnants are not alone in their cosmic journey. They encounter other particles and gases along their way, left over from the Big Bang or expelled by other stars. This interstellar medium, a soup of cosmic matter, is the nursery where nebulae are born. Gravity, the great sculptor of the universe, begins its work. It pulls together these particles, making them collide and stick together. Over millions of years, these particles grow, forming dense clumps of gas and dust. The pressure and temperature inside these clumps rise, creating a hot, glowing mass. This mass is what we call a nebula, but not all nebulae are born from the death of stars. Some are created through the collisions of galaxies. When two galaxies crash into each other, their gas and dust are thrown into chaos. The violent interaction triggers a burst of star formation, creating a bright, glowing nebula. Regardless of their origin, nebulae are the cosmic cradles where stars are born. Within their glowing masses, new stars ignite, continuing the cycle of life and death in the universe. Each nebula, with its unique composition and structure, gives birth to a different generation of stars. These nebulae, with their vibrant colors and intricate shapes, are not just beautiful to look at. They are the universe's way of recycling its matter, of creating new life from the old, of ensuring the continuity of the cosmic dance. Thus, a nebula is born, a unique celestial fingerprint in the cosmic canvas. From the remnants of death, a new life begins, painting the universe with its vibrant colors and intricate shapes, a testament to the enduring cycle of the cosmos. Once formed, a nebula begins its fascinating journey through the cosmos. Imagine a celestial cloud, a nebula, floating in the vast expanse of space. Over time, these nebulae undergo a breathtaking transformation. The forces of gravity and pressure from surrounding space start to mold this gas and dust cloud, causing it to change in size, density, and composition. Picture the nebula as a colossal celestial sculptor, constantly reshaping itself. As the nebula grows, it forms denser regions known as clumps. These clumps attract more matter, growing denser and hotter over time. The nebula's size may fluctuate, but its grandeur only escalates. But this nebula isn't just a pretty face. It's a cosmic cauldron, a breeding ground for new stars. As the clumps within the nebula grow denser and hotter, they reach a point of ignition, kick-starting nuclear fusion reactions. This process births a star, a glowing beacon of light in the cosmic darkness. The nebula's composition also changes over time. The birth of a star releases new elements into the nebula, altering its chemical makeup. The nebula becomes a vibrant painting, each new element a different color on the cosmic canvas. But stars aren't the only celestial bodies birthed by nebulae. If conditions are right, the dust particles within the nebula start to stick together, forming chunks. Over time, these chunks grow in size, eventually forming planets, moons, and asteroids. The nebula is not just a star factory, but a planetary nursery, a cradle of creation. So the nebula's life is one of constant change and evolution. It's a transformative journey, a dance of creation and destruction on a cosmic scale. It's a testament to the dynamic nature of our universe, a universe that is always changing, always evolving, and always creating. And so, the nebula continues to live, a vibrant hub of cosmic creation. Like all things in the universe, a nebula too has an end. In the grand cosmic ballet, the death of a nebula is not a somber event, but rather a splendid spectacle of creation and transformation. Just as a caterpillar metamorphoses into a butterfly, a nebula too undergoes a magnificent change, with each ending birthing a new beginning. Let's delve into the two primary ways a nebula meets its end. Firstly, it can collapse under its own immense gravity. This is not a sudden, abrupt process. Rather, it happens over several million years. The nebula's gas and dust draw together, gradually forming a dense core. As this core attracts more and more matter, its pressure and temperature rise, until finally, a new star is ignited. This is a stellar birth, a fiery testament to the nebula's end, and the beginning of a new celestial entity. The second way a nebula can meet its end is by being dispersed by the intense radiation from nearby stars. Picture this: a neighboring star, burning with the intensity of 1,000,000 suns, emits waves of high-energy radiation. This radiation sweeps across the nebula, pushing the gas and dust outward. The nebula, once a dense cloud, becomes thinner and more spread out, until eventually, it's so dispersed that it's no longer recognizable as the nebula it once was. It's as if the nebula has been gently blown away, like a dandelion in the wind. Both these endings, though different in their process, are similar in their outcome. They transform the nebula, change its form and function, but they don't annihilate it. The matter that made up the nebula still exists. It has just taken on a new form, be it a star or a part of the interstellar medium. In its death, a nebula gives life, a beautiful testament to the cycle of the universe. In the grand cosmic dance, nothing truly ends. It simply transforms. The death of a nebula is not an end, but a transformation. As the grand performance of a nebula draws to its conclusion, it leaves behind a legacy that resonates throughout the cosmos. But what exactly is this legacy? When a nebula dies, it doesn't vanish into oblivion. Rather, it disperses its enriched contents across the vast expanse of space. This material, composed of various elements formed in the heart of the previous generation of stars, becomes the raw material for the next generation. It's like a celestial recycling program, where the old is reformed into the new. This dispersed material can coalesce over time, under the influence of gravity, to form new stars and even entire galaxies. Nebulae, therefore, play a pivotal role in the ongoing cycle of stellar birth, death, and rebirth. They are the cosmic nurseries where stars are born, and the celestial graveyards where they end their lives, only to give rise to new stars once again. It's a continuous cyclical process that has been shaping the universe for billions of years. But the legacy of nebulae extends beyond the realm of stars and galaxies. The elements they produce and disperse are essential for life as we know it. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and many others are all forged within the fiery cauldron of stars and dispersed across the cosmos when a nebula dies. These elements eventually find their way onto planets like ours, becoming the building blocks of life. Without nebulae, there would be no stars, no galaxies, no planets, and no life. They are the cosmic architects, shaping and molding the universe with their celestial materials. They provide the canvas and the paint for the grand masterpiece that is our universe. From their birth to their death, nebulae are an integral part of the cosmic ballet, shaping the universe as we know it. In their life and death, nebulae leave a lasting impact on the cosmos. These celestial clouds of gas and dust are not just beautiful spectacles, they're builders and recyclers of our universe. From their birth in explosive stellar events, nebulae provide the building blocks of new stars, planets, and even life as we know it. Their complex lives, filled with dynamic processes, fuel cosmic evolution. As stars age and die, they return their material to the nebula, setting the stage for the birth of new celestial bodies. This cycle of birth, life, and death is a fundamental part of our universe's story. Nebulae are more than just astronomical phenomena. They are the cosmic artisans, molding and shaping the universe around us. Each with its own unique characteristics, they paint the universe with intricate patterns and vibrant colors. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, every nebula is unique, a cosmic fingerprint in our boundless universe.